welcome back. This is a short video. It's a little update to show you the crazy lights that are now on the e-bike I've got them powered up. We're going to be using a DeWalt XR 18 volt 1.5 amp hour battery. I've got loads of these batteries and I had a spare drill, so I've chopped the drill, took all the casing off the drill, so where you clip the battery on the bottom. I looked on YouTube yesterday and someone's running lighting system through a battery system like this, so I thought, good idea. I've got an old DeWalt drill, so I've chopped it down, so I've got the bottom part of the drill. Just use the plus and the minus wires, that's all we need to run the lights. I'm going to run this on a switch on the handlebars, but I've just got them sort of hardwired up just to see how the lights are, and they are ridiculously bright, guys. I've seen a video with one of these on a bike and it lit the guy's garden up. Now I've got two on the front and it's crazy. It lights the studio wall up. I'm going to try it at night time outside and annoy the neighbours and just move the handlebars around and annoy the neighbours. But I'll give you a little pan round. So these are the batteries we're using. Slimline, they're not heavy. Charge these up, slide them in, so I've got the actual top part of the drill chopped down and you just slide these in, job done. I've got like 3 or 4 of these so I can have these charged up. One in a backpack, off we go riding. I can just take one out, slot it in if it does run out. But I've been running it for an hour and 30 minutes just continuously on, and I checked the voltage and it's hardly dropped any voltage out of the battery running these lights, so it's really cool. So I'll give you a little pan around now and show you the lights. So we've got the one to the back, as you've seen. We've got that one with the indicators, so that's all working nice. And then round to the front, we've got the bracket mounted on here, so I can adjust the height of the tilt up and down that way, and I can also angle the lights in and out to whatever I want. But they are ridiculously bright, guys, as you can see. So we've got 2 floodlights on the front, hardwired down into the DeWalt pack. So just basically top half of the drill gone. I've kept the bottom half hardwired in, and you can just slide this in and out and you've got your lights on. So we'll have a switch coming off here up to here. I'm having a voltmeter. I'm going to drop a little voltmeter in here, just at the top of this artwork here, which will tell me the voltage of the lights off the DeWalt battery. But that's all wired in. So drop your comments. I think it's looking quite mad with 2 of them on the front in the black. Brackets are all nice and neat, all in here, all screwed in, all nice and solid. You've got your side panel LED, then you've got your rear one at the back. Just waiting on a seat post. This is the old seat post, so it will be sort of here, and I can chop it down to the height I want. I don't want it covering the light like that. That will be in the tube there and clamped in. But that one's turning up today, so we've got the new seat post coming today. I've picked up a new seat, so we've got a nice soft gel seat. So that will just finish that piece off. The next stage will be to sort the crank out, put that on. We'll put the chain tensioner on. I'll get this finished today off camera, and then the next video, which will be pedal and pray, we're going to take it out, take it for a little spin. I'll just drop the DeWalt pack inside there while we take it out, and we'll give it a little ride and bed these discs in, because they'll be squeaking. I've tried moving it around and pressing the brakes, you can hear it just slightly squeaking, but they're all leveled up nice, so they shouldn't be rubbing. But we just need to bed and just take the edge off this disc front and back, but we can do that on the test ride. So drop your comments, guys, on my crazy lights. Tell me what you think. I think they look crazy and they'll do the job. And as I say, these have been running continuous now, well over, probably getting on nearly 2 hours. I've just switched these back on and there's no drop in light whatsoever. So they work really well. Nice way of powering up. It keeps all the power, the battery for that, which will just be for the motor. the rear hub motor, and the lights can just run off that battery pack. That one's a recharger, and that won't take much juice. And I've also got a little power bank that can go in the frame for that one. Just clip it in and charge that one up as we go. So that's where we are. I hope you can join me in the next one, and it will be pedal and pray. So we'll take it out for a spin. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in pedal and pray. Cheers.